In this tutorial, we are going to take a look at nouns in French. When we think of nouns, we think of people, places, things, and ideas. But for this purpose, we're just going to think about things we look around in the world and we see. For example, house, cat, dog, boy, car. So in French, all nouns, all things you see, are either masculine or feminine. There is no neuter. So you might say, how do you know the gender of a noun? And my response is, if you don't know the gender of a noun, look up the French noun in a French dictionary. If you look up something like the word bureau, which means desk, if you look up the word bureau in a French dictionary, you will see something like an M next to the word, and that means it's masculine. If you look up the word table, which is table, if you look that up in a French dictionary, you'll see an F next to the word, which means it's feminine. So what's the rhyme or reason? There is no rhyme or reason. Un bureau is a desk, and it's masculine. And une table is a table, and it's feminine. And again, if you don't know the gender of a noun, look it up in a French dictionary.